of worship for thousands of Hindus in Chicagoland area. We are seeing increasing numbers of young families and their parents visiting the temple on a regular basis. We are very eager to provide a clean, peaceful, and safe environment for your families to enjoy your visit to the temple. We are actively exploring and implementing ways to make flow easier and faster for everyone to have a pleasant experience. Expansion plans are being worked on to improve access to the Main Sannidhis upstairs and provide more dining areas downstairs at times of peak demand. We are blessed to have very dedicated group of priests that will meet all your spiritual needs. All major Hindu festivals and religious events are celebrated at our temple to the highest standards of Agama Shastra practiced in Tirumala Tirupati Devasthana. I am delighted to inform you all of an introduction of new service called Tomala Seva to Lord Balaji. We started this about a month ago. Tomala Seva will be performed every Saturday except the Saturday preceding the first Sunday. That Saturday is to be Nijarupa Darshan. That day we don't have Tomala Seva. That means you have 40 Saturdays out of a year having Tomala Seva. We try to emulate Tomala Seva as traditionally done in TTD. The flower garlands are made into several segments, each segment being of particular size to be adorned by the respective areas of the Lord Balaji to enhance the divine beauty of the Lord in a spectacular manner. Tomala Seva lasts for about 30 minutes. Tomala Seva starts at 9:30 a.m. and concludes by 10:15 a.m. with garlands made and provided by the temple. The garlands are available for sponsorship by name, and all details can be obtained by calling the temple office or from the website. At the same time, we have ordered several silver objects that are similar to what is used in Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam, and sponsorship for that are available. Office will be happy to provide the details. It's available on the website also. At the same time, scheduling of the events at the temple as well as at devotees' homes are being streamlined to avoid confusion and delays in communication. More diverse cultural programs are offered in the coming years. We request all of you to participate in these programs with your children and encourage top-class artists. Various classes are being offered through Balaji Vidyapeetham every year. Our highly acclaimed SAT and ACT courses always fill up fast. We gave 2 $10,000 scholarships to college-bound students this year. Also, this year we introduced Sri Hayagriva Puja this year. The puja is done recognizing our graduating high school seniors. We conducted a free health clinic and seminars for the benefit of our community. We are constantly looking for more ways to serve the community. There are many activities and services at the temple where your particular skills will be of great help. Please take time to volunteer and show the spirit of service. Manava Seva is Madhava Seva. If you have not already done so, please sign up at the office or online to become a volunteer. Our recently upgraded website www.balaji.org will provide detailed and most up-to-date information about all activities at the temple. There is an app available for your mobile phones for balaji.org which can instantly give you all the updates. Looking forward to serving you and your families to the best of our ability in the coming years, and thank you for all continued support of Sri Venkateswara Swami Balaji Temple in Aurora for last 29 years. At this time, I want to take a moment of your time. I invite all the trustees come to the stage so that I can introduce you to the audience. Please come.